YouTube, good to see you again at Bright Spot TV. It's a bit windy outside today, so I'm doing it indoors today. So, if you're anything like me and you're overseas working, your main priority is to save some money. It's not about proving anything to anybody whatsoever. It's about putting your shoulders to the wheels and working hard and saving for what you want back in Jamaica. So I see a lot of these yardies, these Jamaicans. They get a chance to work overseas, whether they're doing farm work or they have a skill and they're employed in somewhere better than Jamaica, where salaries are concerned. And they lose track of their main purpose why they left Jamaica. They start to link with some locals where they're at, and they forgot about everything that they dreamt of in Jamaica. Hey, listen, if I'm going to a party, if I don't party anymore, but if I'm going to a party, I don't think that I need to go out and shell out like 800 to 1,000 US dollars to attire myself to go there. No way, I'm not doing it. I'm the type of person who I like to have a clean pair of shoes, and my cologne is supposed to be the best in the room. Whenever the ladies pass me, they're supposed to take a second look. They're just gonna wanna hug me because I smell that good. That's my main concern. And if I purchase a bottle of cologne for 200 US dollars, I don't see that as breaking the bank because that is gonna serve me for like a couple months well. So that is value. If I purchase a shoe for let's say 30,000 Jamaican dollars, I purchase a Clark's or a Timberland. I take that with me overseas and I'm gonna rock that shoes until I get home. I'm not gonna be here purchasing any shoes for any 250 US dollars, any Jordans $400, the latest pair of Nike Air 600 US dollars. I'm not gonna be doing that. And I see a lot of guys, man, they have a party to attend and they want to go out and spend 1,000 US dollars, 800 US dollars. They want to be in the latest Amiri jeans now. For all of you trolls, don't go in my comment section saying that I love to watch men and let people do what they want to do. This video is intended for those of us who we want to accomplish something back home. And I'm trying to put you back on track if you've lost your sense of purpose as to why you're working overseas, why you left your family, why you sacrificed time to be with your loved ones, your friends, your family, your home, all of that, man. You're paying a price by leaving Jamaica and going abroad to work. So why would you go and as soon as you reach and you start socializing with the locals, you want to live like them? You see them in Amiri jeans, you see them in Versace, Gucci slippers, Gucci pants, and you want to follow with that lifestyle. You're breaking the bank and you're gonna be losing, man. You're gonna, at the end of your tenure working where you're at, you're gonna have regrets because you're gonna have a suitcase full of clothes and your bank account is gonna be empty. So what's the sense you're doing that? I don't know about anyone, man, but my main concern, man, is to save some money. And when I get back to Jamaica, I should be able to purchase some property, purchase a nice BMW, although that is a bit of a liability. But if I want to purchase a BMW, a Mercedes Benz, a fat Toyota Mark X, that's what I'm supposed to do. How can I be here living for Instagram and Facebook? How can I do that? You look at my YouTube channel, man. I'm not even showing my face. I'm not about that life. I'm not about the fame for money, man. I'm not gonna pay to be in all these big brands, shelling out thousands of US dollars over 6 months to a year to prove to the world that I have money. I make it now. I wanna snap some photos for WhatsApp to show that, hey, I left Jamaica, I'm overseas, and I'm wearing Versace, I'm wearing Gucci. No, man, I'm gonna go back to Jamaica in a nice, comfortable pair of white Hanes t-shirt, a normal $4,000 jean shorts, and my slippers, and I'm gonna be in a fat BMW, a fat Mark X, well rims up, or a Mercedes Benz, or I'm gonna be purchasing some property on a scheme somewhere, you know? I'm not gonna be here living for Instagram, living for Facebook, man. Spending these money on the latest pair of Air Jordans, Nike Airs, Amiri jeans, and all of that, man. I'm not gonna be doing that. So this video is to put you back in check, bro. Remember why you left Jamaica. You left Jamaica because you wanted better. And better isn't going to be in your suitcase when you get back to Jamaica. You don't want a suitcase full of expensive brand name clothes. You put it in the washer two times, and all of the color washes out, the threads start sagging. There's no value in that, man. Remember why you came. Remember why you came to work overseas, and don't waste your money, man. Save your money for something tangible, for something long term that you can look back on when you leave abroad, because you're not there to work and live forever. You're there for some time to make some money and get home. I'm not talking about those who are immigrating, looking for a green card or any of that. If it works out that I find a nice woman and I'm gonna be here forever, then that's different. And even then, I'm not gonna be purchasing any $1,000 clothes. I'm gonna be in a nice pair of shoes, exceptional smelling colognes, and just comfortable, man. So just remember the reason why you're working overseas and stop wasting your money, man. This is Bright Spark TV. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until the next video, God bless.